Mandajin Lok Sabha de Bishi Goram Takiche Kilimani MP Bra Maha Kumlaga Stampi Chamilaupur Kotakushe. Speaker Om Birla Bra Legislators Kange question our homoy Maha Kumlaga Chamilaju Nani Bulekushe. Idulokot MP Bra January 29 days Stampede case opor Kotakushe Chundubra 30 Manulaga Jan Jaisha or 60 Laga Motushe.
माननीय सदस्यों का समय होता है। माननीय सदस्यगण, महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी ने कुंभ के बारे में भी चर्चा की है। इसलिए आप जब महामहिम राष्ट्रपति जी के अभिभाषण के अंदर जब अपने विषय को रखें तो वो विषय भी आप रख सकते हैं। प्रश्नकाल सबसे महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है। माननीय सदस्यों का समय होता है और बहुत प्रयास करने के बाद माननीय सदस्यों का प्रश्न आता है। सरकार की जवाबदेही तय होती है। इस महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर कई बार चर्चा हो चुकी है और मैं आपसे कई बार आग्रह कर चुका हूं, माननीय सदस्यगण कम से कम एक व्यवस्था बना लें। एक व्यवस्था बना लें कि प्रश्नकाल के अंदर कभी भी विषय को नहीं उठाने दिया जाएगा। जब मैं आपका स्थगन को अलाउ नहीं करूं तब विषय उठाया करो। कभी हम संसद की व्यवस्थाओं को तो बनाएं। आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते, चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते। माननीय सदस्य।
थैंक यू स्पीकर सर। Question number 1 which I have my supplementary card. While the National Culture Fund has successfully facilitated the restoration of numerous historic monuments across the country, I would like to bring attention to Gutti Fort located in my constituency of Anantapur, sir. This majestic fort, the largest in the state, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires from the Chalukyas to the Vijayanagar Empire, the Mughals and the Marathas, sir, and even the British. Strategically located near NS 44, NS 67 and the Gutti railway station junction, sir. It holds immense potential to become a key tourism hub. However, the fort is currently in a state of neglect. A proposal of 60 crore for its restoration has already been submitted under the NCF ethics remaining pending, sir. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister if the government will take up this project at the earliest and expedite its approval to ensure the timely restoration of Gutti Fort, sir. Thank you, sir.
माननीय मंत्री जी।
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, under the provisions of National Culture Fund, the financial arrangements are being done by the donations what we receive or the money what we receive as a contribution from the companies and PSUs through CSR. So primarily and predominantly, the funding agency, they take a call and give us the priority. We have already enlisted 150 projects on the website of NCF.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.